Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6, chapter 2, fractions and decimal. Okay. Question number 1. Improper fraction is a fraction. Fractions are divided into three types. That is your proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed number. Proper fraction means whose numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction, numerator is more than the denominator. And mixed number, it is the mixture of whole number and the proper fraction. Okay? So improper fraction should be numerator is more than the denominator. That is in the option number B. The first answer is B. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay? Example of a fraction in its simplest form. Simplest form means there cannot be any common factor between numerator and denominator. Okay? So in this option number A, you can see 13 is the common factor. If we will divide it with 13 and 13, so you can get 1 by 99. 7, 9, no common factor. It means it is in the simplest form. There is the 17 as the common factor. So it is 1 and 5s are 1s. Okay, so B is in the simplest form. Question number 2, option. Question number 3. Which one among the following statement is true? So fractions with same denominators are called unlike fractions? No, it is called like fractions. 250 divided by 100 equal to 0.25? No. 250, there are 20 means decimal should be put before two digits from the right side. So it should be 2.5, not 0.25. 12, 3 by 5, that is your 180 by 5. So 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 3. It should be 63 by 5. It is also wrong. 125 divided by 20. So if we will divide 125 with 20, so 26 are 120. Now 5 will drop down. Now we will put a decimal, and due to this decimal, we can put 10 here. So 22s are. That is your 40. Now, due to this decimal, we can put again 10. So 25s are. That is your 1000000. Yes, 6.25. So third answer we can say D. So third option is D is true. Okay. Come to the question number 4. 9 by 5 equal to 18 by x. Find the value of x. So 9 by 5 equal to 18 by x. This implies 9 will be multiplied with x. 9 multiply x should be equal to 18 multiplied by 5. That is your x should be equal to 90 divided by 9. This is your 10. Option A. Fourth answer is option A. Question number 5. If on adding 5 by 24 to a fraction, it gives this. Find the fraction. So on adding, suppose that A plus 5 by 24 equal to, I am just making it improper fraction, 13 3s are 39. 39 plus 5, 44. by 13. So what will be A? A equal to 44 by 13 minus 5 by 24. Common LCM of 13 and 24 will be the product of 13 and 24, as there is no common factor. This is your 312. Okay? Now the numerator of this one will be your 44 multiplied by 24, as there is no common factor. 1056 minus 65, that is your 6 minus 5 1, 15 minus 6 9, and 9 to 991 upon 312. This is available in the option number B. The fifth answer is option B. Question number 6. Which of the following fraction is greatest? We can compare, we can add, we can subtract a fraction only when the fractions are like fractions. Here we can see all the fractions are not like fractions, they are unlike fractions. First we have to make the fraction like, and to make the fraction like, we have to just find the LCM of the fraction. So to find the LCM of the fraction, so take the common factor 3, 3s are, 3s are, 8s are, 1s are. Again we can take 3, 7s are, 1s are, 1s are, 8s are, 1s are. Now no common factor between them, so LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. So that is your 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 63 8s are 504. 504. Now I am making all the fractions with the denominator 504. So 4 by 7 equal to 504. 504 means multiply by 72. Okay? So 4 2s are 8, 28, 288. Now 7 by 9 equal to 504. It means 9 is multiplied with 56. So 56 multiplied by 7, you will get 392. 392. Third one is your 4 by 9. So that is your 504. It means 56. So 56 multiplied by 4 here. 56 multiply 4, so you will get 224. 224. Okay? Now 7 by 8. 7 by 8 and denominator is 504. I am making all the fractions as the like fraction having denominator 504. So 8 will be multiplied with 63. Okay? So 8 will be multiplied with 63. It means 63 will be multiplied with 7. It is your 441. Okay, now left 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 504. So it is multiplied with your uh, uh, 56 multiplied by 3. So multiply by 168. 168, that is 168 here. We have to find the greatest number. Greatest. Whose denominator is greatest? We can check the greatest denominator number is 7 by 8. Answer will be 7 by 8. That is in the option number D. I am writing here. Sixth answer is option D. Okay. Question number 7. The fraction represented by shaded portion. So how many total numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 2. So it means denominator will be 12. Shaded portion 1, 2, 3, 4. Is not available, it means it is reduced. So to reduce it, we can just divide both the numerator and denominator with 4, because 4 is the common factor. This is your 1 by 3. It is available in the option number B. So seventh answer is option B. 8. Which one among the following statement is true? So gram to decigram, to find the conversion of the measurement, just I am writing all the measurement in a table, in a poetic way. So milli, it is gram. मिली सेंटी डेसीग्राम डेका हेक्टो किलोग्राम. ठीक है. Now, this is the base unit. It can be gram, it can be meter, it can be your liter. ठीक है. So now it is gram to decigram. Here it is gram and here it is decigram. So to convert gram to decigram, it means multiply by 10. And here it is divided by 10. That's why it is wrong. ठीक है. Second is your centimeter to meter. So this is your centimeter and this is your meter. Centimeter to meter, lower to higher unit. Divide by 100. Here it is divided by 10 only. This is also wrong. Now 0.8345 lies between 0.83 and 0.85. Yes, yes, because this is the 100th place digit and it means 0.8345 is greater than 0.83 and it is smaller than 0.85. So yes, it means it is lying between these two numbers. Option C. Eighth answer is option C. Ninth, the two consecutive integers between which the fractions 13 by 18 lies. 13 by 18, you can see numerator is less than the denominator. It means it is proper fraction, and proper fraction means it will be always less than 1 or more than 0. So 0 and 1, option number A. Ninth answer is option A. Question number 10. 18 by 225 is equal to. So we have to find the decimal. 18 divided by 225. Since we can see here 18 is smaller than the 225. Means dividend is smaller than the divisor. So we can put decimal here. So to put decimal, we can put it 0 here. Still it is smaller. So we have to put 1 0 in the quotient. Then we can put one more 0 in the dividend. Now we can divide. So let's check it with 6. So 2 to 5 multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 5. 15 carry 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. No. We can check 2, 2, 5 with 8. 8 5s are 40. Carry 4. 8 2s are 16. Plus 4. 20. Carry 2. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 1800. 8 times. So 1800. Okay, to point to 08 is the answer. That is in the option number C. So 10th answer is option C. Question number 11. This is equal to. So 0.0208. First we will convert it as the fraction. To convert it as the fraction, remove this decimal, put 1. And how many decimal numbers are there? How many decimal digits are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So we will put 40 here. Okay. But answer is 208 upon 10,000. But we can see it is not available here. If it is not available, it means we have to reduce it. So we can reduce by 4. 4 is the common factor. 4 is the common factor. 4 5s are 28. 4 2s are 8. Now 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. Again we can divide it with 2. एक बार और 2 से कर लेते हैं. तो 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are, and here it is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. ठीक है. and 2 5s are 10. अगेन 2 से हो जाएगा ये. अब 2 से करो. 2 13s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. 13 by 6 25. Now it cannot be reduced more. It is available in the option number A. 11th answer is option A. Okay. Come to the 12th. Solve 0.7 this plus this plus this plus this. Okay. So first we will write the highest decimal digits. To add the decimal number, first step is to make the decimals as the equivalent decimals. What is equivalent decimals? Equivalent decimals are those whose number of decimal digits should be equal. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आप इसको लिखोगे बड़े वाले नंबर को 0.1987. ठीक, it has the more decimal digits. Now second is, in the addition, decimal should be below decimal only. It will be your 0001. Okay, now third one is 0.009. The last place is vacant, so we can put 10 here. Okay, because in the addition we can put decimal below decimal only. Next is your 0.08. We can put 20 here. Now the next one is 0.7. We can put 3 decimal here. Okay? Now add 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 9, 18, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 8, 7, 8. It is available in the option number A. The 12th answer is A. Question number 13. A cup is 1/4 full of milk. What part of the cup is still to be filled by milk to make it full? So that cup has one part. उसमें से full कितना है? 1/4. Empty part will be 1 minus 1/4. It does not have the denominator, so we can write 4/4 minus 1/4. This is your 3/4. 4 part में 1 part filled है, तो 3 part ही तो खाली होगा. तो that empty part we have to fill to make the cup full. ठीक है? That is your option B. 13th answer will be option B. Question number 14. On weighing himself on Sunday, Ramendra found that he had gained 3/4/5 kg gained extra weight. Earlier his weight was this. What was his weight on Sunday? So on Sunday he gained, so there will be addition. So to add this, first we will convert this number as the improper fraction. This is your 330/8 plus 5 3s are 15, 15 and plus 4, 19/5. Okay. Now the LCM will be your 8 5s are 40. Numerator of this will be your 1650 and plus numerator of 19 will be your 152. Add this 2 number 2, 5 5 10 0, carry 1, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 and 1 is here. Divide by 40. We can reduce this fraction with 2 as the common factor. So 2 9s are, then 0, then 2 1s are. And here it is your 20. Actually, answers are given in the mixed number. To convert the fraction in the improper fraction as the mixed number. So 901 divide by 20. 24s are 80. 0 1. Now 1 will drop down. 25s are 100. 45 is your whole number. 1 is your numerator. 20 is your denominator. 45 1/20. It is found in the option number C. The 14th answer is option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.